us spill this already spilled juice and get into this. Shona had an unveiling, guys. Kere, it looked like a double-story house. I'm telling you, Shona was sitting in that house. Like, look what was happening. The decor was from Nono events. Like, everything was meticulously planned. Guys, one thing I can remember about Shona, apart his acting skills, from his directing skills, apart from his work, is that he loved his family and he loved his family loud. And like AKA, he seemed to be a present father, a present husband. We don't know what was behind the scenes, and we know that no barking marriage is perfect. But what we know is that Shona loved Connie, and he loved her publicly. He loved umfazi wakhe and did it publicly. But I love now how Connie Ferguson is showing us ukuthi you can make your man's memory live. She's making it live because wow, everybody is like in this thing, and all the people that seem to be important are there. But the big house, I don't know but how much of a bigger land did they take, because this to me seems like 7 room. Mpotse, but it was so beautiful. It was so beautiful. It was so beautiful.